If you ever happen to dig into mathematics, you'll find that it's beautiful in many ways. It has a harmony of its own. Maths demonstrates its beauty using something called the golden ratio. So what is this emblematic ratio? What does it represent and why is it called golden? Hi, I'm Salahuddin and today I am going to answer those questions and much more. The golden ratio or the divine proportion phi is the number 1.6180239. It was first studied in ancient Greece by brilliant mathematicians such as Pythagoras and Euclid for its geometrical properties. We say that two segments are in the golden ratio if the ratio of the bigger to the smaller is equal to the ratio of the sum to the bigger, which gives us that A over B equals to A plus B over A. With some basic maths, we get that phi is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 5 over 2. So phi is equal to 1.6180339 or phi is equal to minus 0.6180339. And of course lengths are positive numbers, so we'll stick to the first option. The golden ratio has some unique properties. For example, phi squared is equal to phi plus 1 and 1 over phi squared plus 1 over phi cubed plus to infinity is equal to 1. And using these two formulas, it is described as being the most irrational number there is, since approximations to it are always somewhat off. It is said that the golden ratio defines beauty and coherence. That's why in history, numerous artists have used the golden ratio in their paintings, statues, and architecture. Like the Parthenon, for instance, which is inscribed in a golden rectangle, or the Great Wave of Kanawaga that follows the golden spiral, or the ingenious Great Pyramid of Khufu, which was made either by ancient Egyptian pharaohs or aliens, and that varies by less than 0.025% from these golden proportions. We've seen the golden rectangle and the golden spiral. Now let's try to make them. Let's start by drawing an 89 by 55 rectangle, inside of which we'll draw a square while simultaneously building another golden rectangle. We'll repeat this pattern until we can't draw any more squares. Then with the compass of 2, we'll draw quarters of circles as follows. Now that's a golden spiral. Now we may know why it is called golden, but why would it be divine? Look at this arrangement, in which every dot is phi of a turn away from the previous. Now, it may seem like a random beautiful pattern, yet it appears that the seeds in a sunflower follow this exact model. Crazy coincidence, isn't it? Now, let's zoom out a little bit. The shape of the galaxy is a golden spiral. Wait, this cyclone follows the golden ratio, and this Nautilus shell, even this tiny flower, follows the golden ratio. And the beautiful song you've been hearing all along is a composition based off of phi's decimals. So, could this all be just a huge coincidence? Is nature following divine rules? Is the universe designed using mathematical equations? Did we just crack the code? Maybe so.